You opened VS Code this morning, you run npm install, you pushed your code. Completely normal. You've done it 1,000 times. For thousands of developers, those exact same actions handed an attacker everything. Their SSH keys, their cloud credentials, their company's private repositories. And they had no idea it was happening. Hey, I'm Natalia. I've been in engineering for around 20 years. My goal is to help you build and run applications that are genuinely resilient and secure. Today we are not talking about misconfigurations or bad practices. We are talking about doing everything right and still getting hit. This is how most developer days start. A familiar environment, tools you've used for years, an ecosystem you trust. You don't think twice about running npm install. You've done it 10,000 times. The packages resolve, everything looks fine. You don't think twice about running a security scan in your pipeline. That's the whole point. It's supposed to make you safer. 3 times that ordinary morning didn't stay ordinary. October 2025. You installed the VS Code extension. Maybe it was a theme, a linter, a productivity tool, something with good reviews and thousands of downloads. What you couldn't see, what no code review would catch, was a malicious code hidden inside it. Not obfuscated, not buried, invisible. Written using Unicode characters that renders empty space in every editor, including VS Code itself. While the extension did exactly what it advertised, it was also doing something else. Harvesting your npm credentials, your GitHub token, your git config, your SSH keys. And then something worse. It installed a hidden VNC server, so someone could literally watch your screen. Your machine wasn't just infected, it was being used. And whoever was on the other end used your stolen credentials to compromise more packages, which infected more developers, which infected more packages. Self-propagating, exponential. Nearly 36,000 downloads before anyone pulled the extensions. 7 compromised packages, still spreading 2 days later. March 2026. If you've written JavaScript for the last decade, Axios is in your project. 100 million downloads every week, one of the most trusted packages in the entire npm ecosystem. One maintainer's account got taken over. That's all it took. 2 backdoored versions published 39 minutes apart, 3 hours before the world noticed. A single new dependency with a post-install hook. The hook silently downloaded and executed a remote access Trojan, a RAT, platform specific for Windows, macOS and Linux. Every CI pipeline that ran npm install during that window pulled it automatically. Every developer machine that updated Axios pulled it automatically. Later attributed to Sapphire's lead, a North Korean state actor. Not opportunistic, deliberate, patient, targeted at developer infrastructure. Also March 2026. Trivy, the most widely used open-source security scanner in cloud-native infrastructure. The tool you added to your pipeline specifically to catch threats like this. It started with a workflow trigger that looked harmless. In the wrong place, it gave an attacker an org-wide access token. The breach was discovered, credentials were rotated. But not fast enough, not completely enough. And then came the final move. 75 version tags silently redirected to malicious code. No new release, no new branch, nothing in the commit history. The release page looked identical. The code it pointed to was something completely different. It ran your scan, it returned real results, while sending you SSH keys, cloud credentials, and Kubernetes tokens to an attacker-controlled domain. Over 1,000 cloud environments compromised. The irony is almost too much. The tool you trusted to protect you became the weapon. This sounds abstract until you look at what's actually sitting on your machine. Your SSH keys. Every server you've ever connected to, every repository you've ever cloned over SSH. In the wrong hands, that's a skeleton key to your entire infrastructure. your .env files, every secret your application needs to run, your database, your payment processor, your third-party APIs, sitting on your disk in plain text in every project folder. Your cloud credentials. Someone with your AWS keys doesn't need to break in. They are already in. They can spin up infrastructure, move data, and leave you with a bill you'll still be arguing about months later. Your GitHub token. Every private repository you can see, every organization you are a member of. Not just your code, your colleagues' code, your company's code. A supply chain attack waiting to happen using you as the entry point. This is what's on your machine right now. Here's the worst part. You wouldn't have known. Trivy returned real results. The axios package worked exactly as expected. The VS Code extension did exactly what it advertised. Trivy's poison tags were alive for up to 12 hours. Axios backdoor versions, 3 hours. GlassWorm had 36,000 downloads before anyone noticed. No alert, no warning, no error message. Just an ordinary morning. 3 attacks, different tools, different ecosystems, different attackers. Same outcome, every time. A trusted piece of software run on someone's machine and took everything it could reach. The question isn't whether this will happen again. It will. The question is, when it does, what can it reach on your machine? These attacks didn't just scare me, they changed the way I develop, the way I look at my local environment. I hope this video did the same for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.